The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today we are on the 15th Sunday in Ordinary Time, and our Gospel will be coming from St. Mark chapter 6, verses 7 to 13. Jesus sent His disciples to continue His mission of proclaiming the Gospel, of healing the sick, of casting out evils. And He sent them 2 by 2 with the provision that they will not be bringing anything except their sandals and the walking stick. They do not even have to bring an extra or second tunic. They don't have money on their purses, and they don't have to bring any bag or clothing. This is as if Jesus Christ was saying, travel light. Physically, they have to be prepared to welcome whatever challenges that they may encounter. And emotionally, they must not have any baggages to carry in their hearts. And, of course, spiritually, they have to trust the providence of God. Remember when they were still asking where Jesus was living? He said, birds have nests, fox have holes, but the Son of Man has nowhere to lay his head. And now it's their time to be sent into the world without their own home, without their protection except the loving protection of God, without security except from the assurances that coming from the love of God. Can you do that? Most of the time, whenever we travel, we always have contingent plans. We have backup just in case. We always give provision to whatever might happen along the way. Well, that's prudence, if we may call it that way, or that is just being so secure of the future. But the gospel is reminding all of us, in our life, no matter how much prepared we are, there will always be incompleteness. And so, we just have to trust our God. How much do you trust our Lord? Can you be sent into the world amidst the wolves of this world? In other words, amidst temptations? If it is God who called you, then God will provide. Whatever mission you have in your life today, as a parent, as a student, as a leader, or as a follower, remember this: God will provide for all our needs. Of course, we need to participate. We need to allow the grace of God to work in us by participating. But in the end, we have to be sure we will always end up lacking in so many things. And God will be the one to fill in the gap. The providence of God will never fail to a trusting and humble heart. God bless you.